In a galaxy far, far away, there lived a curious little Sith named Sithi. Sithi was unlike any other Sith, for she had a heart full of kindness and a mind full of questions. One day, Sithi found a strange, glowing stone while exploring the dark caves of her home planet. It was unlike anything she had ever seen. Intrigued, she decided to take it home. As the sun set, Sithi held the stone close to her heart, wondering about its secrets. Suddenly, the stone began to glow brighter and brighter, and a soft voice spoke, "I am the Star Stone. I will show you the light." Sithi was surprised but excited. She had never heard of a Sith owning a star stone. She asked the stone, "Will it make me stronger?" The star stone replied, "No, Sithi. It will not make you stronger in the traditional Sith way. But it will help you see the good in others, and it will guide you to help those in need." Sithi was a little disappointed at first, but as she thought about the words of the Star Stone, she realized that helping others was a strength of its own. She decided to use the Star Stone to bring light and kindness to her galaxy. The next day, Sithi visited the market. She saw a young Wookiee being bullied by some mean Sith. Sithi, with the help of the Star Stone, stood up to the bullies and protected the Wookiee. The Wookiee was grateful and thanked Sithi. Word spread quickly about the kind Sith who helped others. Sithi continued to use the Star Stone to help those in need, and soon she was loved by all. Even the mean Sith who had once bullied others began to change their ways, inspired by Sithi's kindness. One day, Sithi decided to visit the dark caves where she had found the Star Stone. She wanted to thank it for guiding her on her journey. As she entered the caves, she saw a group of lost Jawas. They were scared and had no food or water. Sithi, with the Star Stone in her hand, led the Jawas out of the caves and found them a safe place to rest. She shared her food and water with them, and they were grateful. As Sithi looked at the Star Stone, she realized that it was not just a stone, but a friend. It had guided her, helped her, and shown her the way to be kind. Sithi hugged the Star Stone and thanked it for everything. From that day on, Sithi continued to spread kindness and light throughout the galaxy. She was no longer just a little Sith, but a beacon of hope for all. And whenever she needed guidance, she would look at the Star Stone, her friend, and remember that kindness is the greatest strength of all.